In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. Here in this pattern, every line contains 5 alphabet characters along with single space character. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. So to print this type of pattern, we are going to use one more variable, j is equal to 0, nested while j less than 5, and at the end of every nested while iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration, j value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. So let's print the result. Print char starting from 65 plus j, which is going to print A, B, C, D, E in the first line, separated by single space character. Now to print second line from new line, we need print method outside this nested while, py square.py. This is our expected alphabet square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.